Hello, today I am with my MacBook Pro and two iPhones, that's the 15 Plus and the 15 Pro, and let's see what is going to happen when I plug the USB-C cable to the iPhone and the MacBook. Let's see if we can actually recharge the out-of-battery MacBook with our iPhone. So as you can see, it's plugged to the iPhone. Let's do this also for the MacBook. It looks like nothing is going to happen. I can also unlock the phone. Yeah, but there is like nothing interesting. So what is going to happen when I plug the second iPhone? So that's the 15 Pro, the USB-C cable into the 15 Pro, and plug it to the USB-C port right here. And let's see. Maybe two iPhones can recharge the Apple MacBook. I'm gonna swipe up to unlock. I will try to turn it on. Okay, weird. After pressing the button, the iPhone 15 Pro is charging. What about the 15 Plus? Nothing. So it looks like there is like enough battery inside your MacBook that can actually recharge your iPhone even when it looks like it is out of the battery. So that's interesting, but yeah, it's finished right now. It is not charging anymore. Okay, after pressing the button, it is charging back. But I guess it's not the best for the battery life in the MacBook, so maybe not try this at home. Yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.